What is FinOps? Cloud computing has transformed how organizations build and run technology. But it has also created a new challenge. Cloud costs are difficult to understand, predict, and control. FinOps is the discipline that addresses this challenge. FinOps, short for financial operations, is a practice that brings together finance, technology, and business teams to manage cloud spending effectively. The goal is to help organizations understand exactly what they are spending on cloud, why they are spending it, and how to optimize it. FinOps is built around 3 phases: inform, optimize, and operate. In the inform phase, teams get visibility into their cloud costs. In the optimize phase, they identify and act on savings opportunities. In the operate phase, they embed cost-aware practices into engineering and business workflows. FinOps is not just a finance function. Engineers, architects, and product managers all play a role. In fact, FinOps recognizes that engineers make the decisions that drive cloud costs. Empowering them with cost awareness is central to the practice. The FinOps Foundation offers globally recognized certifications, including the FinOps Certified Practitioner. As cloud budgets continue to grow, FinOps skills are in extremely high demand. Organizations worldwide are hiring FinOps practitioners, cloud cost analysts, and cloud financial architects. If you work in cloud, DevOps, or finance in technology, FinOps is one of the most valuable areas to develop expertise in right now.